Hey guys, I'm Matt from WTI's Two Cooks in the Kitchen show, and I wanted to show you guys this these serving dishes here, these serving bowls from Dowan. All right, I want to get into some of this information here in just a second, but a really nice bowl. The glass is the right thickness. I'm not worried about it breaking or anything like that. It's got the nice color of white on there. It's not like a yellowy white. It's a nice bright white. And here's how it comes packaged. Really well packaged. All of them in here like this. Each one individually wrapped, so you know that you're not going to get a broken bowl, and you know, really well packaged in the box. But this is interesting too. In their packaging, it comes with this little card. See this little card here shows all the other products that they have. But on this side, and this is something that's really cool. They talk about the packaging itself and how it's don't be wasteful. Use the packaging to make some of these other little projects, these little art projects like this. I thought that was a cute little thing to do. Don't always have to do that. Maybe people don't have time for it, but I think it was a nice point about just kind of being environmentally, caring about the environment. Great little bowls. These are serving bowls from them. I think that you'll be quite impressed with them as I am. That's just my point of view.